Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get sketch to image on your S23 Ultra. This incredible feature, powered by Galaxy AI, transforms your simple drawings into stunning artwork. First, make sure your S23 Ultra is updated to One UI 6.1.1 or a newer version. You will also need to be logged into your Samsung account to access all the AI capabilities. There are several convenient ways to start using Sketch to Image. If you use your S Pen, simply pull it out to open the Air Command menu and select the Sketch to Image option. Alternatively, you can find it in your Edge panels or directly within the Samsung Notes application when creating a new note. You can even use it to enhance existing photos in your Gallery app. Once you've opened the Sketch to Image canvas, it's time to get creative. Use your S Pen or finger to draw anything you imagine. After sketching, you can select from several artistic styles, such as a vibrant watercolor, a detailed illustration, or even a fun three-dimensional cartoon. Then, simply tap the Generate button and watch as the AI brings your drawing to life in just a few seconds. After the AI generates your images, you'll see several options. Swipe left or right to browse through them and pick the one you like best. If you're not completely satisfied, you can easily go back to your sketch, make adjustments, or try a different artistic style to generate new results. Finally, save your unique creation to your gallery or share it instantly with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.